Hey, Amelie from Swedish Made Easy here. In this video I'll be talking about the Swedish vowel ä, which is an A with two dots. We're going to talk about how to say it, and the long and the short sounds, the difference between those, and look at some words that can exemplify this vowel. So get your notebook ready and grab a pen, så kör vi! The Swedish letter ä is an A with two dots over it, and the long sound of this vowel sounds like this: ä, ä. You see, I've got quite a wide mouth. It's not super smiley like an e. It's a little bit more open. You can see my tongue. Ä, ä. Wide mouth, open, show a bit of tongue, excuse me, show a bit of tongue, and tongue is quite relaxed as well. You're not tensing it, you're not doing anything in particular, it's just there in the middle. Ä, ä. You can find examples of this long ä sound in words like to eat, äta, äta, and the verb for is, am or are, är, är. Now, just a note on regional differences here, because this sound might be a little bit different depending on where in Sweden you are. So, especially in the word for is, am or are, är, if you are on the east coast, particularly around Stockholm, you will find that this is not so much är but more e, actually. So sometimes the regional dialects will come into play here. But the letter in itself, when you say it, especially in words like äter, it would have that long ä sound. The short sound is similar positioning of the mouth, but again, like we've seen in all the other videos of the other vowels, it's a short burst and it comes more from the back. So it's more like this, ä, ä. And you can see it in words like to greet someone, hälsa, which actually also means health. As a noun, but as a verb, hälsa means to greet. And you can also see it in the verb hända, to happen, h-ä-n-d-a, hända, ä, hända. So we got the long ä sound, ä, ä, and the short one, ä, ä. And that is all for today. See you next time. Hej då!